friends, how you doing? Thank you for coming back. We're gonna have fun. Isn't this really cool? This I did on an 18 by 24. Now, right now I'm working off of an 8 by 8. Just got a little bit of a head start here. I got some blues out, 2 different colors of blue, white, and a little yellow right here. And most of my paints I do like the lit with text paints. Okay, so as you get your brush going and the canvas a little wet, I wanted to show you as I'm putting this on right up here, I purposely got some gold over here. Now gold and blue mix will change that more into a lighter tad of a greenish kind of color. And that's what you want. You want to go a little lighter because you got the bottom of the water, and as you go up all the way to the top, which is pretty cool here, there you go. You want it a little lighter. Make sure your brush is wet. Sometimes you can crisscross it like that to really fill in the gaps over here. Okay, there you go. And then we can run it right across. There we go. And again, let me just take a little bit of that gold, water my brush, and run that like, blend it where it's going, straight up. I like that. You can see it. Remember, you can do this 1,000 times and get different effects, but I wanted that to be a little golder going on top. This is a fun painting. Okay. Alright, here you go. Alright, so now we have a couple sides on the whisk. Like a whisk brush. This is a larger one. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. Here we are. You're going to dab that in some black. Okay. And we're going to start dabbing through here. And remember, with acrylic, when it dries, you can put many layers on top that you can't do with oil painting. So that's what's fun about acrylic. I just dab it. I know. It'll be so beautiful. This is the darker part of your rocks. And then the bottom of the water. You can go as high as you want. Remember, it's your picture. Okay. And that's a texture out of the darkness you see on the bottom of the ocean, or more like a tropical ocean. And like again, I have different size on the whisk. This is such an easy painting. Now here what we're going to do, we're going to dab some in the gold. You can put these anywhere that you want. You make the painting your own. And then in this painting we have little fish. I did do the turtle. I don't know if I'm gonna do the turtle in this one, but that's okay. But I just want to show you a lot of different things you are going to be able to put on the bottom of this picture. Okay, now I got some dark blue. I'm tapping it on. Let's see. Okay. And remember, we'll tad it up white with that. Excellent. Okay. We're going to just hop around in different areas. Oh, this is a lot of fun. I'm enjoying this thing already. And now you're going to, let me see, I think I'm going to do, this is a really small whisk. I'm going to just come in with just white. Now what we're going to be doing, we'll probably finish this up on the next video. We're going to be coming in with some long leaves. We want them to make it look like that grass is blowing with the water. So right now we're just going to get a little, just getting color, getting some little texture. Okay, this is the bottom of the sea. And just always make sure that your brushes are ready to go. And also, let me see, I think what I'll do, I'm just going to come in with the black and white. Of course, that'll be your gray. Angular brush. I just want to kind of, there you go. I'm just going to get a few of that, but as we go, we're going to be going different colors on top of that. Oh, it's going to be fun. We're going to get some reeds and get some coral in there too. It's going to look so, so beautiful. So the next video we're going to be doing these. Okay, we got some reeds. We have the tiny little fish, which are one of the easiest things, friends, to make. This is a little fish. But again, that's what's good about acrylic. You can do a lot of different layers. When this dries, you do more layers, which I probably will. I'll try a little bit and I'll show you coming in. Well, thank you so much, friends, for tuning in. Can't wait to see you on step 2. And this way it's going to look like this. The bottom of the sea. Happy, happy colors. I hope you enjoy your paintings. Thank you, friends, for tuning in. I can't wait to see you again. We're having so much fun. I know I am. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.